This is your normal curb rash. I see this every day and repair it every day. Probably fixed over 30,000 wheels at this point. It's a high polished aluminum with a clear coat on it, but he scratched the curb. To repair that, I'm going to grind it down. I'm going to sand it smooth. I'm going to dust a little bit of paint on it, prime it, dust a little paint, and then clear coat it. When I'm done, it'll look like new. This is where the curb rash was, and as you can see, it looks like new. For a $75 per wheel repair, I don't think you can beat that.